Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I really thought the water flow meter would fix the problem, but it did not. I'm running out of ideas. There was a comment saying the analog pressure sensor I bought might be faulty, so I returned that one, bought a new one. Let's wait for it to get here before we start taking this apart. This order is pretty awesome. It came with this piece of paper and some instructions on blowing air into the hose to see if there's obstruction. I didn't do this last time, so maybe that is the problem I'm having. Let's try that and get the new sensor installed. I was so optimistic this was gonna work, but getting suds now, I did blow into this hose and felt like air was coming out the other side. Let's do some research and see where we go from here. Okay, I'm gonna follow Appliance Repair American and check this back part of the drain plug because as I was doing SUD's research, I ran diagnostics on the washer and this error code F21 popped up. I've gone F20 and F35 before. We've made videos on those. I'm getting a little optimistic because this is the first time getting an F21 error. I've cleaned the drain plug, but it could be further back. Might be the hoses in the back that I haven't checked yet. Let's take a look. I'm starting to feel a sense of relief. I removed this back portion of the drain plug and there's a little ball in there. That's pretty cool. But up here, I was able to remove one of these. I guess this is a good reminder to not do laundry on little pieces of things. The drain plug back here was pretty clean when I removed it. So hopefully that piece that got stuck was causing all of our problems. Man, I thought that was really gonna work, but at least we are making progress. The analog sensor is giving us a different error code. The drain plug is a little bit cleaner. I've just been lazy and not wanting to remove this back panel, but I am going to finally commit to doing that for the next video. But for now, 229 done.